We are a community acute care hospital, and so we really cover all of the aspects of primary care and into general surgery and orthopedic surgery, ENT. We cover a market area of about 38,000 population. And I'm Mark Holyoke, Castleview Hospital CEO. We're a rural community, and so sometimes it's difficult to recruit skilled workforce to move to our community. And so we found it to be much more successful to find talent and then train them. But last year, we were fortunate to be a recipient of a grant and then a partnership with Pinnacle Academy, Utah State University Eastern, as well as the Department of Workforce Services with Zach and his team. We were able to have all of those students, and we had 24, and we had them in here every day, and they actually were able to receive a stipend to be involved. They were not just job shadowing, not just following around and learning, but we had them doing hands-on patient care as well as other aspects of hospital work. It makes all of us better when we have the opportunity to be able to take these students and to teach them, to mentor them, to precept them, that it actually makes us better. I think every one of our employees become better employees, more highly qualified when they have that opportunity to teach. We have a philosophy, and it's our culture, that it is a blessing to have the students here. It's a blessing for us to be able to teach them what we know so that then we can have a future employee right here in the community that's going to be working side by side with us.